we are learning the shloka of Lord Sri Rama and Sri Hanuman. Jai Hanuman. Yes, you have the images of Rama and Hanuman. So you can have a look of these images and we'll start chanting the mantra. So first we will be going with the Rama mantra. This is a very easy, very simple one. So here what I'm saying, I'm saying to Lord Rama that I'm meditating on you. So your name, the Rama, has a more power, which gives me more energy, which is equivalent to the 1,000 names of Vishnu. Fine. So this is the meaning of the shloka. So I told the meaning of the shloka in the beginning itself. Now we will go with the shloka. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Shri Rama Rama, repeat Rama 2 times. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Wonderful. Rame Rame, Rame Rame, Manorame, Manorame. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Rame Rame Manorame. Rame Rame Manorame. Rame Rame Manorame. Sahasranama. Sahasra means 1,000. Nama is a name. Okay. Sahasranama. Tattulyam. 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 Sahasranama Tattulyam. Ramanama. Ramanama. Varanane. Varanane. Ramanama Varanane. Now we'll start from the beginning. It's a very simple one. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Rame Rame Manorame. Rame Rame Manorame. Rame Rame Manorame. Sahasranama Tattulyam. Sahasranama Tattulyam. Sahasranama Tattulyam. Ramanama Varanane. Ramanama Varanane. Ramanama Varanane. Wonderful. Now we'll say completely. I'll go a little slowly. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Rame Rame Manorame. Sahasranama Tattulyam. Ramanama Varanane. We'll increase the speed now. So if you want to practice that once again. Go back, rewind, play it again. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Rame Rame Manorame. Sahasranama Tattulyam. Ramanama Varanane. So this is the shloka. So Rama shloka. So I'll say a little louder for you. Shri Rama Rama Rameti. Rame Rame Manorame. Sahasranama Tattulyam. Ramanama Varanane. You can repeat this like a 3 times or a 5 times also, since the shloka is a little small and it's very easy to practice. This is the Rama shloka. Next we'll go for the Hanuman shloka. Hanuman is known as the one who is a biggest devotee of Lord Rama, right? So you have seen the picture of Lord Hanuman. So here we'll see the shloka of Lord Hanuman. So why do I always pray Lord Hanuman? Because to make me stronger and brave, and to make me like no fear, fearless. So I pray Lord Hanuman. So this is one of the shloka that we'll pray for Lord Hanuman. Manojavam Maruta Tulya Vegam Manojavam Marutatulya Vegam Manojavam Marutatulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Manojabam Marutatulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam. Repeat these 2 lines first before going for the next 2 lines. We have 4 lines in this shloka. So please repeat the first 2 lines before going for the 3rd line. Next. Vatatmajam Vanarayutamukhyam Vatatmajam Vanarayutamukhyam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadye. Yes, we'll say the 3rd and 4th line first before going to the 1st and 2nd. Vatatmajam Vanarayutamukhyam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadye. Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadye. So we'll say from the beginning. Manojavam Marutatulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanarayutamukhyam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadye. Now we'll say the shloka a little louder and we'll go a little slow also now. Okay, sorry for a little background noise. Manojavam Marutatulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanarayutamukhyam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadye. This is again one of the biggest shloka after Gajananam, right? This is a little lengthier shloka. Yes. So practice the shloka, go back, rewind, play, and keep saying along with me until and unless you are fine with the words and the pronunciation and also the tune. Okay, so now in this section we have learnt Rama Shloka and the Hanumanta Shloka. I have also told you the meaning, why do we chant the Rama Shloka and the Hanumanta Shloka. At the end of this video you will be having the script of this shloka and the meaning. So for your reference you can have a look and get a little more meaning, extra information of these shlokas from those reference pictures. Okay, and please practice every day, so without skipping any of the shlokas. From the beginning say all the shlokas till Manojavam Maruta Tulya Vegam, and try to go a little faster and louder with the right pronunciation. Once you are starting your pace a little speeding up, so make sure your pronunciation sticks to that, so your pronunciation don't go wrong. Okay, so that's it about this shloka. We will be learning a few more shlokas in the next section, and I request you to leave a feedback regarding this till now, so how it was goes, how you are feeling in the course, and any kind of a help that you need regarding the shloka chanting. You finding any kind of a difficulties, please do let me know. That will be really helpful for me to rectify on it and work on it. Okay, so next will be we will go for the next shloka. Fine, yes, thank you.